Ms. Mathur, what do you have to say on what the Prime Minister has said? How would you interpret what he said?
Unfortunately, the Prime Minister, what he says and what he does and what he takes a U-turn the next day, it's hard to really believe him. Because he'd come up with a big master stroke when demonetization happened, कि हम black money ले आएंगे, corruption खत्म हो जाएगा. Nothing happened. People died. Then he brought the Kisan bill, the farmers bill, which had to be withdrawn. But before that, 700 से ज़्यादा farmers को शहीदी देनी पड़ी थी. Every few days he has a spectacle to create, keep us busy. But actually, there is obviously no seriousness about ending corruption, definitely not in this BJP, as we know, because BJP now collects corrupt people from all other parties. Had Mr. Kejriwal, had Mr. Manish Sisodia, had Mr. Satinder Jain, had they all, Mr. Soren, had they all joined the BJP, perhaps they,
so
they would
calling
be
your own leaders corrupt. Ms. Mathur, wonderful. Wonderful. Why do you need the BJP then, when you go after your own leaders? You just did that. You said BJP collects corrupt leaders and gave examples of these three leaders, Ms. Mathur. अब इसका एक ही interpretation है. And that you will see during the course of the debate and even after the debate. And talking of U-turns, ma'am, I am sure you remember what Mr. Arvind Kejriwal had promised. Jan Lokpal, clean politics. First he said, मैं politics में ही नहीं जाऊंगा. And then when he entered, he said, clean politics. Then Mr. Sisodia said, even if there is an allegation, the person should resign. And you are talking about U-turns, the Aam Aadmi Party of all parties. But now that you have brought this up, U-turn, let's play out something that is close to U-turn. And Nikhil, I am coming to you after this. Listen to this.
My opinion in the ordinance is that it's complete nonsense and that it should be torn up and thrown out. I'll repeat it for you. My opinion on the ordinance is that it should be torn up and thrown away.
We are going back to medieval times when the king could just remove anybody at will. There's no concept of what an elected person is. He doesn't like your face, so he tells ED, put a case, and then democratically elected person is wiped out within 30 days.
Nikhil, what turn is this? U, V, X, Y, Z. Which turn is this?
It's a logical turn that you're failing to understand. Probably Ms. Mathur was right in the first debate. What Rahul Gandhi was talking about in 2013 was leaders having to resign from their membership of the House after they had been convicted in a court of law, after a due process of law had been followed, after they had been declared guilty. What this government is trying to do is to have chief ministers and ministers resign when somebody is only charged with an offence. Mr. Kejriwal spent about 6 months in jail. Hemant Soren spent multiple months in jail. What has the ED done now? Have they proven the money trail? Have they made any strides in the case? No. Why were these chief ministers put in jail?
1 minute. Nikhil Jain, calm down 1 minute. You forget. You're running on the track in which your own party, the Congress party, has put speed breakers. Or speed breakers वो ordinary नहीं है. I'll tell you. Who wanted Mr. Kejriwal in jail? बताइए sir, which party? Logical turn. Mr. Logical turn, which party wanted Mr. Kejriwal in jail?
He runs by rule of law.
Rule of law?
What matters is
that 1 minute. Rule of law तो उनको क्या illegal detention में रखा था?
Claiming to be. Why were they in jail? They were accused, right? They were not guilty. They have yet not been proven guilty.
Okay.
Mr. Chidambaram also spent time in jail. He was not proven guilty. So many leaders, and let me make a practical point for your viewers to understand. When have they ever seen any chief minister having his own police arrest himself? Never happened. No political party. When have you ever seen any prime minister have his own cabinet minister arrested? Doesn't happen. What is going to happen is that the ED and CBI are going to
lodge 1 minute. So have you given up in your ambition of coming to power? ये आपने surrender कर दिया है that the BJP will win in power in this country. Sign the bill or back the bill. ये क्या problem? Dr. Ranganathan, how many times Has Rahul Gandhi demanded the resignation of Prime Minister Modi, sir? आप ही बता दीजिए इनको.
नहीं, वो तो सुबह उठते हैं, ब्रश करने से पहले मांगते हैं रेजिग्नेशन. बट लुक, बिकॉज दिस इज अ मैटर ऑफ लॉ, and I firmly believe that law should be, it's such a wonderful subject, it should be included in the field of STEM, because it is so thoroughly objective and only facts matter. So Pranesh, please bear with me. Two issues and both merit going into. First, let me quote a minister who for any period of 30 consecutive days during holding the office is arrested and detained in custody, removed from his office by the president on the advice of the prime minister, unquote. The key phrase in this word salad, Pranesh, is allegation of committing an offense. Now, point number one, not a day goes by when politicians and political parties cutting across ideologies and ruling dispensations demand the resignation of fellow politicians on whom charges of corruption or impropriety have been leveled, but who haven't yet been proclaimed guilty in a court of law. Is it not a fact that the Congress demanded Chief Minister Kejriwal's resignation over liquor scam, even though he has not yet been proven guilty in a court of law? Not just Kejriwal. Congress demanded resignation of Gujarat Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel over bridge corruption, of Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan over CMRL case, of Karnataka Chief Minister Yedurappa over CD corruption allegation. So why are they protesting now if such demands of theirs is consecrated in law by Amit Shah, and that too with riders more protective than what they never even applied? For example, the minister has to be in jail for 30 days. Is it also not a fact, please tell me, that the same Congress demanded resignation of these chief ministers because it claimed, not without reason, that they will influence the case, coerce witnesses, destroy evidence, and try and derail the investigative process? And now these legitimate reasons concerning morality and propriety of investigation are being discarded because you have to oppose Modi.
And
Look,
Rahul Gandhi says
this
that
is
Prime
rank-
Minister Modi is acting like a king. Shazia Ilmi, I remember when Amit Shah told the opposition in parliament that अभी 20-25 साल आपको वहीं बैठना पड़ेगा, वो उन्होंने सीरियसली ले लिया है, इसीलिए वो बैक नहीं कर रहे हैं इस लॉ को.